flower. Baby, trip to Palawan. Baby.
Ayun na, oh. Sasayad na tayo. Babu.
Parang may jellyfish eh. Uy, parang Africa eh.
Sandal, Victor. Siyempre na yan, mausap ka. Oh. Nakita mo yung sandal ka, Victor. Oh, nakabuhay mo. Yun yung preno, air brake.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Puerto Princesa Airport. Public address, welcome to Puerto Princesa. The local time is 19 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Refrain from stepping in the front and application to brake because you will fall. Do not remove your carry-on luggage from the overhead stowage bin to the
Mama, Victor.
aircraft to
Victor.
permission at the mark. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, take precaution in retrieving your carry-on baggage.
Yeah, trip to Palawan, baby.
Items you might leave behind. Ladies and gentlemen, in compliance with Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations, safety cards, helmets, amenities, and funds licenses are provided in the cabin. Bringing down of such items constitutes theft and is punishable by law. Kindly leave these items in its compartment for the benefit of our next passenger. Airfunds licenses will be collected after passenger disembarkation. Upon disembarkation, all passengers are instructed to proceed directly to the arrival area. For safety and security reasons, loitering and picture taking out the wrong area are strictly prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation.